In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting an error address unreachable error on your Windows computer. So if you're trying to access a specific website and this is not across all websites that you're trying to access on your computer, this tutorial will be for you. So the first thing I would suggest would be to actually go ahead and restart your router. So most routers actually have a reset button on the front of the router. Try clicking on that and then just let it reset and then attempt to access the website. If your router does not have a reset button or you cannot find it, just try unplugging it from the wall and then plugging it back in and then see if you can access the website again. Now, if you're still experiencing a problem, another thing we can try would be to open up the start menu, just left click on the start button one time, type in Internet Properties. One of the best matches should come back with Internet Options, so you just want to left click on that one time. And now that we're here, you want to left click on the Connections tab and go down underneath Local Area Network or LAN Settings. LAN settings do not apply to dial-up connections. Choose Settings above for dial-up settings. Left click on the LAN Settings button here, and you want to go ahead and disable your proxy server. So if you have one you're currently using, you just want to turn it off and just set it to automatically detect settings. You might want to take note of what's here and just go ahead and disable it temporarily and see if you're able to access the website again. You can also try going into incognito mode within your web browser and see if that is able to resolve the problem as well. So definitely worth a shot over there. And there's always a chance that if it's just a specific website you're having problems with, that you might just have to give it some time. The website itself could be down. Try restarting your computer as well. And hopefully one of those methods should be able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you guys out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.